and welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So in today's video, I want to share with you something which is going to be quite motivating. I hope so. So stay connected this video until it ends. See what happened, my friend, when we try to do anything in our life, just because of one thing which is very crucial, we end up receiving nothing. The thing is that patience. What it is? Patience. You know what? When that that result is worthwhile, or when we try to achieve anything or big thing in our life, so it is obvious to take time. And in between your goal and when you are going to start, there are so many obstacles. So if you try to break those obstacles or barriers, so it is obvious to taking time, or it is obvious to take time. And that is why it happens in our life. See, as a learner, I can say that if we try to learn this language or coming to learn this language, what happened? We think that okay, let's try to learn this language, and we try for one day or for 1 week. I can say 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months also. Afterward, what happened? We lose patience. That okay, I don't have patience. I can't, try. I can't try anymore. So for that one, what happened? What we will receive? We'll receive nothing. There will be little bit result, because whatever work we have done, we'll get that result. But coming to the proficiency, we will be not able to get proficiency in this language. So see what happened. Why patience is crucial for learning this language? Let me show you and let you know that why patience is very crucial. See, look at behind me. Greenery is there. You can see that there is nothing but greenery. So if you are my old viewer, so you must have watched few videos. In that videos, there were no grass, and it seemed that this garden will dry up. Okay, so after few months, now you can see that this garden is full of greenery, and I consider it that this garden is very happy also, because all trees, they are very happy. That is why, see, you can see they are very happy, they are very green, and I can say that they are receiving their result. They have received their result. So after a long patience, that they were waiting for the rainfall, when rain falled, and then they are very green. In our case also, when we try to do anything, we have to also have patience. We have to have patience, so that we can also receive our desirable things. Our duty is to do our work. Okay, so what is our work? We have to practice as much as possible, as many hours as you could, just you should. So if you practice only 1 hour, try to increase your time. And I know that a lot of us, what we try to do, we just wait for the result. I have talked so many people. They were saying that I want to learn this language within 1 month. I want to learn this language within 3 months. I want to learn this language within 6 months, so on and on. But in my case, I have spent this much of time. Okay, I have given a lot of time behind this language. Even I try to learn. I have that much of patience, which is making me to be here, just like to speak in front of you. But in future, I'll become a proficient speaker if I keep practicing. But let's suppose if I quit, or if I stop practicing, will I be able to become a proficient speaker? No, I'll be not able to speak. If I stop practicing every single day, my fluency, like, I'll not have fluency anymore. So in your case also, my friend, doesn't matter what you are doing. Okay, if you are a learner, or if you are practicing this language, if you want to become a fluent speaker, so your work is to practice every single day. Increase timing. Okay, increase your timing, and don't make the lame excuses. Okay, because I have talked to so many people, they make lame excuses. In my case, see, I don't have any environment. I don't have environment. I don't have anyone to speak. But how did I learn this language? Or how am I able to speak this language? Just because of I kept practicing, and now also I practice. That's why I'm able to speak little bit this language. So in future, what will be my condition? If I keep practicing, I'll become a good speaker. So in your case also, my friend, you need to have patience and focus on your, if there is anything you want to focus on, so focus on your work, that how many hours you are doing practice, how like how you are practicing, which kinds of effort you are putting. You need to focus on those things instead of focusing on your result. Okay, so this is how we can achieve anything. Coming to those who are job seeker, or those who are trying to get the job, in their case also, if they are preparing for any job, they need to have patience, then they can get the job. See, nothing worthwhile can be received over the night. Okay, right? I think you must have heard somewhere, you must have read somewhere. So we can't achieve anything, we can't receive anything if it is worthwhile over the night. It must take time, because if it is that much of easy, so everyone can have that things, everyone can receive that things. But what make us little bit different from other one? Our hard work. Okay, so we need to focus on our hard work. And other thing also make us different from other one, which is patience. If we have enough patience, let's suppose, for example, my friend and I, we started practicing this language. So if he or she quit after 6 months, and now if he comes in front of me to speak, will he be able to speak English fluently? No, he may be not able to speak this language. In your case also. And why did he leave practicing? He left practicing because he didn't have that much of patience. I kept practicing because I had patience. Because I had patience, that's why I kept practicing. So in your case also, if you want to become different from other one, your work level should be also different from other one. Because I have seen so many people, or I have talked to so many people, they make the lame excuses that I didn't have time. My friend, everyone has the only 24 hour, isn't it? So it is our duty to manage our time. We must learn. And coming to, as I showed, you see that everywhere greenery. But if, as I told you, that if you are my old viewer or old audience, then old viewer, you must have not seen these things. It was vacant, there was no grass, there was no bushes, and tree were not green. I can say that they were a kind of sad, but they didn't lose their patience, and that is why, as a result, they are very very happy. You can see that they are green. So in our case also, if we keep doing our work and have the enough patience, we'll also receive worthwhile things, my friend. So I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.